walking through the pouring rain, trying to wash away the pain. The sky is dark, the ground is cold, but there's a story left untold.